Hi, I'm Leeanna, and I work at the East End location of Proactive Pelvic Health Center. Today I just wanted to take some time to talk through some of the pelvic health challenges that can come with perimenopause. As the body moves through perimenopause, hormone levels, especially estrogen, will fluctuate. These hormonal shifts can influence the pelvic floor muscles, the bladder lining, the urethral lining, and the vaginal tissues. Lower estrogen reduces blood flow and can make this area and these tissues thinner, less elastic, and this is why some people may notice an onset of pelvic symptoms, such as increased urinary urgency, urinary leakage if one's running or coughing, sneezing, needing to use the bathroom more frequently, even overnight, or just a general sense of increased discomfort associated with intercourse. Estrogen is also known to positively support muscle mass and strength and collagen content within musculoskeletal tissues. When the hormone levels decline during perimenopause, the pelvic floor muscles may weaken, and this can lead to decreased core strength and stability. While these symptoms are all really typical during perimenopause, they're not something that you're just expected to tolerate. Pelvic floor physical therapy employs the best evidence-based strategies, such as pelvic floor and core training exercises, behavioral adjustments, so strategies to optimize your bladder and bowel emptying mechanics, bladder retraining. We even discuss ways to optimize your vulvo-vaginal tissue health. So we might go through the benefits of a vaginal lubricant versus a vaginal moisturizer. And we can even educate you on the benefits of talking with your doctor about possible local hormone therapy. These are all strategies aimed to significantly improve comfort, function, and most importantly, quality of life. Perimenopause is a normal physiological stage, and understanding what's happening can make it much easier to navigate. With the right support from a pelvic floor physical therapist, perimenopause can become more of a phase where you feel more in control of your own body, more informed about your symptoms, and more confident in managing the changes ahead.